So this is the Aloe Rosemary hair conditioner. In this we take aloe vera gel. Now the aloe vera gel can be store bought or from your kitchen garden. But the only condition is aloe vera should be transparent and it should be fragrance free. Do not go in for a green colored aloe vera gel because in nature aloe vera gel is transparent. So that has added color and fragrance and that is not good for the hair. So we take pure aloe vera gel and then we add rosemary essential oil, a few drops. To 10 drops. To this we add a spoonful of argan oil, 10 ml of argan oil, which is roughly a spoonful, and then you mix it well. You blend it well with a spoon or a stirrer. If the quantity is more, you can also blend with a hand blender, which you have in your kitchen. And you blend it till it becomes white in color. So this is how the final product should look like. This is a natural hair conditioner. It will not damage the hair in any way and it will deeply nourish and moisturize it. If you have dry hair or aging hair, you must consider using this post every wash. It will definitely improve the moisture level of your hair, the texture of your hair, and make it very shiny and smooth.